In this series of videos on military procedures, we will be discussing how ATC and military aircraft interact. In this video, we will be discussing air-to-air refueling. Air-to-air refueling, or AAR, is conducted on predefined patterns. These patterns are situated in airspace typically 25 miles wide and 60 miles long. Once aircraft are established in the AAR pattern, very little control is required. However, it is necessary to separate non-participating aircraft from the aircraft in the AAR pattern. In this diagram, we can see a typical AAR pattern, including the AAR control point or anchor point. The tanker will orbit using a racetrack pattern similar to a holding pattern, but much larger in dimension. To allow receiving aircraft to join onto the tanker, we utilize a procedure known as MARSA. MARSA stands for Military Assumes Responsibility for Separation of Aircraft. The exact requirements for MARSA are specified in MATS. The main criteria is that MARSA must be initiated by the aircraft and cannot be initiated by ATC. When utilizing MARSA, special phraseology is utilized for every transmission. At the end of every transmission, you must append MARSA and the call sign of the other aircraft. Let's go through a typical sequence of events for AAR. The tanker will be en route to the anchor point. The tanker will request a delay on the anchor point. Once the receiver arrives, the tanker will request MARSA with respect to the receiver. Once ATC approves MARSA and clears the receiver into the same block as the tanker, the receiver will be instructed to switch to the AAR frequency. This frequency is not known by ATC, but will have been pre-briefed to the receiver. During the actual refueling process, there is no communication with ATC. Communication between the tanker and the receiver is performed on the AAR frequency. On the completion of refueling, the tanker will notify ATC that refueling is complete and request onwards clearance for both the tanker and the receiver. If the tanker is required to remain on station, the tanker may request clearance for only the receiver. ATC will issue clearances for both aircraft to the tanker. The tanker will relay the receiver's clearance on the AAR frequency. The onwards clearance should allow for separation between the tanker and the receiver. Once the tanker and receiver have attained vertical separation, the receiver will check in with ATC. When ATC verifies that vertical separation has been achieved, ATC will terminate MARSA. Let's have a look at a demonstration of AAR and MASSA in action. Dragon 37 requests delay at Tyndall 83 Charlie for up to 4-5 minutes.
Dragon 37 cleared delay at Tyndall 83 Charlie, maintain block, flight level 270 to flight level 290.
Cleared delay at Tyndall 83 Charlie, maintain block, flight level 270 to flight level 290, Dragon 37. Dragon 37 accepts MARSA with Magpie 11.
Dragon 37 maintain block, flight level 270 to flight level 290, MARSA Magpie 11.
Maintain block, flight level 270 to flight level 290, MARSA Magpie 11, Dragon 37.
Magpie 11, maintain block, flight level 270 to flight level 290, MARSA Dragon 37.
Maintain block 270 to 290, MARSA Dragon 37, Magpie 11.
Magpie 11, contact Dragon 37 on AAR frequency.
Dragon 37, flight approaching end AAR. Dragon 37 requests direct Tyndall. Magpie requests direct Tyndall 265133.
Dragon 37 is cleared from present position, direct Tyndall, flight level 290. Magpie is cleared from present position, direct Tyndall 265133, flight level 270.
Dragon 37 cleared from present position, direct Tyndall, flight level 290. Magpie 11 cleared from present position, direct Tyndall 265133, flight level 270. Brisbane Centre clears Magpie 11 from present position, direct Tyndall 265133 at flight level 270.
Present position, direct Tyndall 265133, flight level 270, Magpie 11.
Magpie 11, contact Brisbane Centre on 133.7.
Brisbane Centre 133.7, Hooroo, Magpie 11. Brisbane Centre, Magpie 11, flight level 270, MARSA Dragon 37.
Dragon 37 and Magpie 11, MARSA terminated.